Right, Brazil is certainly still one of the epicenters of the pandemic in the world, but for the last few days, actually, the number is not increasing as it did before, so it's what they call a plateau. However, a plateau in a very high figure, still between 39,000, 40,000, 45,000 new cases a day here in Brazil. And also it must be said that this varies widely across the different regions of the country, and actually still in a number of big cities in Brazil, in a number of cities with more than 100,000 inhabitants, the infection is still accelerating. However, there are good news coming from some places that were dramatic not long ago. For example, the city of Manaus in the Brazilian Amazon, where the healthcare system practically collapsed, now sees a reduction of cases, even though there is already a opening in very advanced stages. Also in the city of Sao Paulo, the number of deaths has been reduced for the last 3 weeks consistently. Also, the number of cases seems to be reaching the same kind of plateau. So there is already this bit of good news, but still it's not clear at all if the infection has reached its peak in Brazil, if it's just in a plateau right now and will go back to increase, or if it's now it will go downward. It's so much doubt that actually local authorities in Sao Paulo have cancelled the main New Year celebration in the city, which happens in Avenida Paulista. The mayor acknowledged there's still a few months to go until there, but he said that this would need much planning, so they could not decide later. So now New Year celebration in Sao Paulo has been cancelled today, despite the good news when it comes to the fact that there is a plateau now in Brazil.